Hey, what's up guys? So, today I will have my May favorite. Tama ba? May June. Yes, my May favorite. Can you just imagine how fast month is? We're already half of the year. So, my gosh. And as you can see, I'm a bit tan kasi galing ko lang sa Bulan sa Bicol. So, we just had our vacation there for a week, I guess. So, medyo na-delay yung mga videos ko. But, dahil nagbakasyon ako, my body is really hyped up. And as you can see, medyo paos ako. It's because nag-video okay kami doon hanggang mawalan na kami ng lungs. So, today I will have my May favorites and medyo konti lang naman tong product na to. And also, I will include some of my unfavorite for the past couple of months na nagtatry ako ng mga products. So, isi-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga product na hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan in this video. So, let's get started. The first of our lipsticks. Okay, so magsimula tayo sa lipstick. I have 3 favorite lipsticks right here. Yung first one, dito muna tayo sa local. This is the EB Advance liquid lipstick in color rich Vino. I actually did a review on this. I will link that in the description box. Uso ngayon na medyo ibang dating ng lipstick and this is one of the high pop shade there is. I super love this kasi guys, personally, I really don't like yung mga glowing lipstick or yung medyo makinang na lipstick. But currently, meron na akong transition into wanting yung matte shade into wanting to have a little shimmer, a little glow, or a little gloss on lipstick. So, nagustuhan ko siya kasi medyo glossy siya, but kasi yung matte, kasi nag-i-stay, most of the matte lipstick there is, or liquid lipstick there is, talagang nag-i-stay siya sa lips nyo eh. For the whole day, o yung mga ganon, like the NYX Soft Lip Cream, we have the LA Girl matte lipsticks. So, lahat yun matte talaga, that it will stay with you the whole day. But, eto kasi, medyo glossy siya, but it will stay with you throughout, except for those yung mga gitna kasi you have to, pag kumakain kayo, especially ng mga greasy food, naalis siya in that area, but it is very retouchable. It's a good lipstick. They actually have a lot of colors of this line of EB Advance, so go ahead and check it out. Ito lang yung one of my favorite shade on their line, on this line, so go ahead and check it out. It's very, very pretty, and maraming beses ko nang sinuot to in my video, so go ahead and check them. And the next lipsticks that I have, one is from Maybelline and one is from Revlon. The first one let's talk about is this Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color. Ito siya. And I bought the shade. My favorite one is the M304 or the Mysterious Mocha. Dun sa top 10 na favorite lipstick ko, na-discuss ko sa inyo na medyo I'm so into brown shades. And one of our beloved subscribers suggested this color to me, and I super duper love it. Okay, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa line ng Maybelline na to is that it says here that it's matte. It's actually not matte at all. Hindi siya matte. It's a little bit glossy ang shade niya. I super love it. I super love the shade. Especially, pinapatungan ko siya ng iba-ibang klaseng kulay. Medyo light brown siya, nude brown siya. Hindi siya yung talagang overly brown. But when I put a brown shade in this, ang ganda-ganda niya. And also when I put a little pink, ang ganda niya pa rin. So, this is what I'm currently wearing right now. Pero may pinatong ako dyan sa ibabaw. Very pretty nude brown shade. Ang ganda niya for a base. Ang ganda niyang patungan. Ang ganda niya as is. So, I super love it. Hindi ko lang masyadong nagugustuhan yung consistency nito. Kasi when I have dry or choppy lips, medyo na-emphasize niya. Pag ginamit niyo to, kung meron kayong choppy lips, might as well use a lip balm. And this is what I'm currently wearing. Pero pinatungan ko siya ng a tint of a little peachy shade. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng ganitong, nakapag-come up ako ng ganitong shade. And this is the third lipstick that is in my favorite. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in 225 or Rose Wine. Ito naman siya. Yan. It's a gloss lipstick, absolutely. And parang may peach shade. Peach ang shade niya. Ito siya. Pag pinagpatong niyo yung dalawang yan, ito yung, pero a little lang nitong shade na to, makukuha nyo tong lipstick na to. It's very, very pretty. It's very, very nude. It's very, pareha silang glossy, kaya at turned out ganito yung shade niya. Just at tamang-tamang shade lang, or at tamang-tamang gloss lang. It's very pretty, and yun. So, that is third on my favorite. All of the details will be in the description box. But absolutely, this EB Advanced Liquid Lipstick is 250. Okay, again, all of the details will be in the description box. And then, let's continue on. Next in my favorite is this Revlon Photo Ready Concealer. Actually, I have this in my rack for quite some time now. I think mga 1 year na. And I've been reserving it. Ayan o, marami pa siya. I've been reserving it for, I don't know for what reason. Siguro dahil mahal siya, kaya ako siya nare-reserve. But this is ranging from 800 pesos to 1,000 pesos. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi it's very natural looking. It is what I'm currently wearing right now. As you can see, talagang cover up niya kung ano yung kailangan i-cover. So, I super love it. And pag blending nyo siya, it blends out really, really well. But kung kayo ay ang tipo ng tao na nagbe-bake, gusto ngayon kasi yung baking na tinatawag, which you put your concealer on, you blend it, and then you put a powder above it and make at i-stay nyo yung powder a little longer than usual dun sa inyong concealer. This is not a good type of concealer with that kind of process kasi it will mag-ano siya, magkikiki ang dating. Pero as is lang, without any baking, a good concealer to consider. So I super love it. Ngayon, na nagbalik ako sa kanya, so I super love it. And yun. So the next one and my favorite is this All Dolled Up Simply Pretty from Avon in color Soft Beast pa rin. As you know me, I love the Simply Pretty product nito. I super love their lines nung kanilang pressed powder, including this. This is a loose powder, and what I love about this is very compact. Ito yung dala ko papuntang Bicol eh. So it's very compact, very easy to bring. Hindi nyo na kailangan magdala kasi I also have this one at saka yung isa pa. But ganito yung loose powder talaga nila. And, di ba, very heavy or very malaking dalhin. But this one, it's very, very compact as you can see. And also, love na love ko tong line ng pressed powder nila. So, this one is the loose type. Ang ganda nito, if you are so into baking, this is also good for baking. And you don't have to buy any expensive powder, loose powder for baking. Ito lang, maganda na siya. Ito lang, maganda na siya for baking. I super love it. Etong mukha kong to, binake ko yan. So, this is what I used for baking my face. As you can see, well-baked. Charot. So, I super love it. Ito siya. And, kaya lang pag naaalog siya, you have to be very careful kasi it tends to be a little messy pag inopen nyo siya. So, kung travel nyo siya at medyo maalog yung travel nyo, i-shake nyo muna siya ng ganyan para malaglag siya, and then, tsaka nyo i-open para hindi siya messy at mag-compose siya or magbulkahe siya ng isa dito sa ilalim. Just a tip. And this is only 69 pesos. So affordable. And then the next one in my favorite is this Intuit Gel Liner Pen. It is waterproof. I have a review on this. I will link that also in the description box. So go ahead and check them out. Check this out. And this is very, 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 very good, guys. As in, if you use it in your waterline, it will not bleed. It will stay with you the whole day. It will not transfer. Absolutely no, you will not see any transfer from this product. I super love this. But, again guys, if you're gonna use this to do a wing liner, hindi nyo masyado siya magagawa kasi the tip medyo nagbibilog kasi nga ginagamit nyo siya sa any other area. If you wanted to use it in your eyes, your waterline, your upper waterline, lower waterline, in your lid, very good product. Kung gagawan nyo siya ng wing, might as well use a brush with it. So, I super love it. Again, I will link yung aking review on this in the description box. And then, let's continue on. And then, I have my two favorites from Everbilena as well. Ang dami kong Everbilena favorite eh. The first one is this contour kit that they have. I have the color, what is this? I forgot the shade. I forgot the shade kung ano to. Check the description box for any other details ng mga product na babanggitin ko, including this. Kasi I super love the contour shade. Ito siya. Actually, kung iisipin nyo, more on a bronzing shade siya than contour. This is what I'm currently wearing. It's very natural looking. If you're looking for a natural looking bronzer or contour, this is a must try for you. It's not orangey, it's not grayish, it's just plain brown. Ganun siya. And I super love it. As in, super in love ako sa shade na to. This one, still testing it out. Not so in love with it kasi it's very shimmery. For me ha, very shimmery yung blush. But, let's see. Ito siya, i-swatch ko sa inyo. It's very shimmery. Ito yung blush. Diba? Very shimmery. I think for highlight, maganda yon. Ito yung bronzer. Ayan yung bronzer. Diba? Ang ganda. Very natural looking. So, I super love it. And this is only 199, 200 pesos, 220, 250. I'm not sure. Link will be, again, prices will be in the description box. And then the next one and my favorite is also from Ever Bilena. Ang daming Ever Bilena akong favorite. I think nabigkas ko na to, pero bibigkasin ko ulit. This is the Ever Bilena eyeshadow palette in brown. Actually, it's not brown. It's more on pink, black, gray shade. But for everyday makeup, guys, ang ganda-ganda nito. And it's very pigmented. At saka yung pag ginamit nyo siya, very buttery siya. Hindi siya powdery ang pakiramdam eh. Very buttery na parang ang ganda. And it's well pigmented, as you can see. Doon tayo sa pink. Oh, very pigmented. Ang pinaka-favorite ko sa shade na to is this pink one. Ang ganda-ganda niya for transition color. This is what I'm currently wearing. Guys, if you wanted to have a review, a full review of this Ever Bilena products and other Ever Bilena products that I have, comment kayo sa comment bars or like this video para magkaroon tayo nun kung gusto nyo lang naman. So, I super love this. Yung brown. Ayoko ng pink eh. Hindi maganda yung shade nun. And, yun lang. And then, the next one and my favorite is also from Ever Bilena. Ano ba yan? So, tapos na ako sa makeup. Let's proceed on tools. The first one is also from Ever Bilena. Ito yung kanilang pangtasa. Okay, ito yung pantasa nila. I suggest you guys, kung gagamit kayo ng pantasa for your pencils, use a cosmetic pantasa, not yung ordinary pantasa kasi it's not good on your make. I think based on my experience, I never had an ordinary pantasa, a non-cosmetic pantasa na maganda. But this one is very cosmetic friendly. Talagang lahat ng pencil nyo maganda tong pantasa, as in well tested and tried and tested na tong produktong to. I super love it kasi maganda yung pagkatasa niya. Hindi ko alam paano i-explain. And now, for tools naman, the first tool that I have is from Features and Shades. This is the number 14 in their brush line. Ito siya. Actually, dati ginagamit ko to on my, what do you call this, brows. But then, I converted to a different brush. At ito, ang ganda-ganda itong gamitin for here. Kung maglalagay kayo ng shade sa inyong lash line sa baba, ang ganda-ganda nito. It's very, very precise. And yung tip niya, medyo tapered eh. Pero I think this is intentionally for wing lining at saka sa brows. Pero I love using this eyeshadow shade sa inyong lash line sa baba. Ang ganda-ganda niya. It's precision. Kasi medyo hindi pa ako nakakakita ng magandang precision brush for the lower lash eh. So, ito ang ganda-ganda niya when you're using that in the lash line, lower lash line. Ang ganda niya. So, a must try if you are doing that. A must try for you guys. And then, the next one is from Marinod. This is an eyebrow brush. Eyebrow brush, tapered brush. Ito na yung bago ko ginagamit. And, ano ba to? Ano tawag dito? Spoolie? Yeah. Yun. And this is the N38 from them. I think this is only 89 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Ang maganda nito kasi set na siya for eyebrows. So, you already have your spool and your brush for powder. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda niya. To even out and to put your powder in your brows. I love it. Okay, so the next one in my favorite is this Ellipse Hair Vitamins Ultra Treatment. Ito siya. Guys, I super love their lines. Ang ganda-ganda ng lines ng Ellipse eh. Yung pinaka-favorite ko was their hair vitamins na yung gold. As in, favorite ko yon. And this is also good for your hair kasi it will heal your hair from damage. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, nagbakasyon ako ng 1 linggo sa Bicol and absolutely yung araw doon, yung swimming pool doon, yung dagat doon, drenay niya yung hair ko. And this really helped me a lot kasi hindi ako makabili doon nung hair vitamins na bilog-bilog. Ito lang yung meron sa Mercury Drug nila. So I tried it out and I super love it. Same as yung gold, ganun din yung product na to. And this is only 35 pesos. And marami na kayo. This is composed of 8 ml of the product. I think parehas lang sila. Tama ba? Hindi, 2 ml kasi yung 2 ml yung bilog, 2 ml yon. But this does me the same as the bilog ones or the capsule one. The last product in my favorite is this silicone face brush right here. I bought this one from Watson, and this is, I think this is also a Marinode brand eh. Like the face brush and the spoolie and the eyebrow brush right here. Same brand lang sila. But this is only 69 pesos. Just incomparable, okay guys? Ito yung aking face brush. This one, if you want to have a little rougher on your skin, ito yun. Pero hindi siya rough eh. Incomparable lang dito. Medyo rough na to. And this really cleanse well. Pag nag-facial ako, pag ako'y talagang thick ang aking makeup, ito ang ginagamit ko talaga. But for everyday brushing on your face, this is a good product. Ang ganda ba ito? Maganda pa dito kasi very easy siya. Pwede nyo siyang idikit sa inyong, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan o. Pwede nyo siyang idikit sa wall ng CR nyo. And yung butas na yan, ilalagay nyo yung finger nyan to brush. Ang ganda pa ng tip nito kasi if pupasok kayo sa my eye area para i-clean yan, meron siya, ang ganda meron siya nito. Kasi with the face brush, hindi ako masyado makapasok dyan kasi baka masanggi yung mata ko eh. So, hindi makapasok tong face brush na to sa area to. But this one is a good product kasi pwede siyang pumasok. As you can see, yeah, Bunel. So, gustong-gusto ko to. It's very gentle. Silicone type to eh. So, pag nirub nyo siya, very relaxing. Kasi ang lambot-lambot niya. Unlike this, na medyo a little rough. So, this one is a good product to try, guys. This is only 69 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Again, all the products will be in the description box. And basically, guys, that's it for my favorites. Mag-include lang ako ng unfavorite. Na konting product lang naman in this video. The first one na ayaw ko is this Vaseline Health White with SPF 30 Serum. Ito siya. Hindi ko alam kung nakakaputi ba to or hindi. Kasi wala siyang ginagawa sa kutis ko. It's not moisturizing. It's very wetty pag ginamit nyo siya. Talagang pag ginamit nyo siya, parang konting pawis pa lang. Parang ka naligo ulit. Kasi nagtutubig siya. As in, nagtutubig. I don't love it. I don't know why. It didn't whiten me up. Wala siyang ginawa sa kutis ko. So, sorry. I'm really sorry, Vaseline. I'm sorry. Marami namang products sa Vaseline na gusto ko, but not this one. The next one in my unfavorite is this Shawil, Mineral Shawil Makeup na may primer at saka concealer. I don't get this product. Yung primer, I don't know. Hindi niya kasi, wala kasing nakalagay dito kung ano ba siya, for oily, yung tipo ng primer na for oily skin or tipo ng primer to hide the pores. Pero, dun sa dalawang yon wala siyang naitulong at all. I don't know why. And, yung concealer, it's not good also. And, sabi pa dito, oil-free, long-lasting base. But it's not. Hindi. So, I don't get it. And again, and guys, that's it for my favorite, my May favorite and unfavorite for this month of May, paulit-ulit. And basically, guys, all of the products I included in my favorite will be in the description box. So, go ahead and check it out. And also, guys, kung may gusto kayong i-review, like sabi ko nga kanina, itong Ever Belena, if you want to have a different video on this, comment lang kayo or like this video. And also, kung hindi ba kayo nagpo-follow sa akin sa aking social media accounts, I will link my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Snapchat in the description box, so go ahead and check it out, okay? And also, kung di pa kayo nagpo-follow o kung nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, hit the subscribe button and be part of my family, please. Thank you. And also like this video if you love it. And that's it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and a happy day too. Bye. I'll see you soon.